Welcome my YouTube family. So today we're touring apartments in Lekki Phase 1, and today is the turn of the Bugatti. Now we have Bugatti 1, Bugatti 2 and Bugatti 3. But Bugatti 1 and 2, which is this, is completely sold out. What we have available right here is the showroom, and it comes furnished, and if you want to buy the showroom, it's selling for 380 million naira together with the furniture. Now you might be wondering, what am I doing here? I just wanted to show you how this is going to look like, because what is actually selling right now is the Bugatti 3. So, but from Bugatti 1 and 2, you can have an idea of how Bugatti 3 is going to look like. Now we have 2-bedroom selling. It's selling for 270 million naira, and it's going to come with a concierge service. It's going to come with an elevator. It's going to come with a swimming pool and many amazing facilities to make living right here superb for you. Now, if you're in the market looking for a property to go into a rental, to earn a rental income, or you want to invest in short let, this property is an ideal property for that business, because it's a 2-bedroom, well-spaced apartment right here in Lekki Phase 1. I know short let business around Lekki Phase 1 is hot cake, is an in-demand business. So I'm going to flip the camera and show you our sample unit is available for sale for 380 million naira. But I'm going to show you the sample unit for you to have an idea how Bugatti 3 is going to look like. Now, Bugatti 3 is not far from here, just down the road there. That's where we have our Bugatti 3. So if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, welcome. Take a moment to like, subscribe, share, drop a comment what you think about this property. And you know I'm going to do it. I'm going to flip the camera and show you everything you need to know about the Bugatti. So watch this video to the very end. Let's go. Okay, so today we are touring the Bugatti. It's a 2-bedroom apartment right here in Lekki Phase 1. This is Bugatti 1, Bugatti 2, but they are all sold out. What we have available right here is the showroom. That is what I'll be showing you in a short while. The showroom is for sale. It's come fully furnished. Don't worry, you're going to see it. And it's selling for 380 million naira. Okay, so down the road there is where we're going to have our Bugatti 3. It's down there, still at the foundation level, but you need to see this for you to have an idea how Bugatti 3 is going to look like. Now, this is a 2-bed apartment, coming fully serviced. It's going to have a concierge service, swimming pool, and many amenities. It's going to come with an elevator. So let's go inside and check out what we have right here. Okay, so we're still doing some construction. The delivery date for this is June this year. So it's, as you can see, they're actually right on schedule, because like a month to June and is almost 80% completed. So they're just doing the painting, the screening, doing some finishing touches. Okay, so right about here we're going to have our reception. It's going to come with a concierge service. So if you want to do a rental income for short lets, they go through that place, meet the receptionist, and that's that. So it's going to come with an elevator. Okay, so this right here is the car park area. This whole ground floor is the car park area. So this whole car park area. So that staircase there is a service stairways. Now, if the maids, that's domestic staff, if they want to access this is where they're going to take. So they want to separate the entrance of the domestic staff from the main building. So because it's coming to an elevator and a reception, so the residents are going to take this way, while the domestic staff are going to take that way. So those on the floor, the domestic staff usually don't have access to it, except those on that floor grants the person access. So it's secured and it's private. So all this going to have this is our car park area. Right over there, we're going to have swimming pool, area. Okay, so they're still done. By the time they are done, we're going to have a swimming pool area. So let me go upstairs and show you the sample unit, so you have an idea how Bugatti 3 is going to look like. It's a 2-bed, well spacious, beautiful. So keep on watching this video while we head over to the sample units. Okay, so this is where we have our sample units. So it's all each door is coming with a smart lock. So this is the living room area. So in this property, this is the only apartment that is available for sale. So if you're getting this like this as it's furnished, it's going for 380 million naira together with everything you're seeing here. The lights, the AC, the dining sets, the couch, the TV. So this is your living area. Okay, so let me make the video from this angle for you to see. So you can see it has space, you can move around. Okay, so here we have our visitor store, but it's locked. Okay, so let me show you the kitchen. I love this design, very beautiful. It's beautiful. So let me show you the kitchen before going into the rooms. So this is your kitchen. So the kitchen in Bugatti 3 is going to come fully fitted. I think it's coming with the microwave and the oven, with the sink. I'm very sure of that. It's going to come with this sink, and this is the size of how the kitchen is going to be. So okay, so let's check out the rooms. So this is room 1. You have your wardrobe by this side. So this is the room. See that the room is spacious. Okay, so each rooms are en suite. So you have your toilets and your bathroom. Okay, so let's check the other room, the master's bed. So this is your master's bed. Okay, see the spacing, see how spacious the room is. Or if you don't want to get this, you can subscribe to the Bugatti 3 and you have an idea of how you decorate your apartment. But if you want to buy this is available for 380 million naira. Okay, so this gives you access to the balcony. Okay, so as usual, all rooms are en suites. Okay, so come to the end of this video. So if this apartment tickle your fantasy, this is something you like to own, call the number that is showing on your screen, and you can get this, or you could subscribe for Bugatti Phase 3. It's selling for 270 million naira. Yes, so we have two payment plans. We have a 12 months payment plan. I also have a 20 months. Can't get any property that has such payment plan anyway. So thank you for watching this video.